Yeah, that's it.
Perfect.
Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are doing the 100-piece nugget challenge.
So, we bought 100 chicken nuggets from Burger King.
It was really cheap.
And McDonald's was more expensive.
Yeah.
But the lady was really like 100? Like she was like 100?
She was like, are you sure you want 100?
Right, are you sure you want 100?
Alright, so let's just take it out and we can begin.
We need
More
water.
healthy.
We need that water.
And we had to make a quick Harris Teeter run because we forgot to ask for sauce. I want to put it on the back. Michelle! How many do you think we have now?
We have like 90.
We got a little hungry on the way.
Right. There's one for sure.
Really weird.
Dang, girl. Alright, we're gonna start stacking them. So this is a lot.
You have to open it.
No.
Oh, idiota.
Oh hell.
I don't want to redo it every single time, so but enough. Alright.
What am I? Orangutan?
An orangutan.
You know what?
Someone needs to visit the zoo. Signal.
Alright, we're going to put a timer for it because we're trying to eat this in 10 minutes. So we're going to put the timer.
We're doing 10 minutes.
We're doing 10 minutes. So go start eating. I'm really gonna finish this. This is hard to chew.
You can look at the camera.
Oh. That hurt when I swallowed.
Oh, hell no.
So this is how you know I'm gonna die.
She's gonna get a whole heartburn.
That's what I'm gonna make it.
I think we can do it.
I don't know what dream you're thinking of. Alright. Well, we have. Girl, we have a lot left. It's like 15 minutes.
Girl, you got chicken nugget in your hair. We ate 52 chicken nuggets. And we have 38 left. Alright guys, so we just finished this. So we just finished eating the chicken nuggets. Not all of them, obviously. We were left with 38 chicken nuggets.
We only ate 52 of them.
Only 52.
Only 52.
And I feel so bloated.
I'm gonna have a food nugget. Food baby nugget.
Literally, no.
It was so hard to chew them in general. Like, it was just so hard to eat and it hurt when you swallow. Oh my god. Oh my god. It didn't do it.
La 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 la. Oh!
Girl, whole highlighters on my hand. Oh yeah.
So which one's mine and which one's yours?
7. I never drink water, so.
Alright guys, this concludes today's video. Stay tuned for next week's video.
Girl, why do you sound like a...
Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn your post notifications on.
Stay tuned for next week's video.
Bye.
Bye.